I'm back, everyone. Took kind of a 3-week break recently as I caught COVID, so I wasn't trading. But this is the first trade that I did once I started to feel a little bit better. We did this on Friday, November 3rd, 2023, making 180% profit. Excuse me, on Tesla 222.5 calls. So let's get into it. Here's how we did it. So looking at November 3rd, we can see Tesla is it's gapping up and it's opening quite a bit higher from the prior day's close. And it's also opening above this 220 area. So my initial thought process is this thing is going to jump up and then either it's going to break this 226 and push to 230, or it'll reject at one of these levels. Given my first target was going to be this 226 area, just because it is quite a big move upwards. And if this were to move all the way up to 230, just less probability that that's going to happen. So if we dive into the 5-minute chart on that day, where are we? November 3rd. And I'm just going to minimize my screen here. So again, as you can see, pre-market, we see this big move up. So once I see this is pretty strong, right? Even after this kind of first 5-minute opening. So again, alerted everything live in our Discord. As you can see above, got in right on the open at $1.50. Now, it wasn't a perfect entry, as it did go lower here at some point. We also held on through this reversal on the first 5 minutes. So the low here was around $1.20. So kind of within our risk tolerance levels still. But then as you can see, then we see these nice big moves up, hits this 226 area, and we end up selling at 652, which is right on this green candle, right off the rejection of 226. We ended up selling at $4.20, which was pretty close to the high. I think the high was like $4.35 or something. So absolutely crushed this trade. Yeah, then we sold from $1.50 to $4.20 for 180% profit. And again, why were we looking to sell at this 226 area? Well, if we go back to the daily chart, it's basically because of this. So if we just draw some price here, right there, right? As you can see, and we go back to the 5-minute chart. Right? It can be that simple. Now, it might not have rejected off this, but that's okay. This was what our trade was going to be. This is the idea that we had, and we just execute off that. So like, comment, subscribe. Should be posting more trades again soon. And again, everything is loaded live from our Discord, so you can copy the exact same trades that we do real time. And yeah, catch you guys on the next video.